Greetings, financial wizards and aspiring homeowners alike. Today on the Elite Economizer, we're embarking on a grand adventure, unraveling the mysteries of home affordability. Whether you're a seasoned homeowner navigating a refinance or a wide-eyed first-time buyer, understanding the intricacies of mortgage calculations is your key to financial freedom. So, buckle up and join us on this empowering journey. Imagine this. You've stumbled upon your dream house, a picture-perfect haven that ignites a spark of excitement. The sprawling backyard beckons for summer barbecues, and the cozy fireplace whispers promises of warm winter nights. But hold on, there's a crucial step before you dive headfirst into a sea of packing boxes. Assessing your financial readiness is paramount. Don't get swept away by enticing offers. Ensure you're on solid ground before taking the plunge. Let's delve into the numbers and unveil the truth behind those tempting mortgage rates. Consider a scenario where your household pulls in a comfortable $30,000 annually. Traditionally, this income might have aligned with a cozy home priced around $92,000. However, the current real estate landscape paints a different picture. Achieving homeownership at this income level can be increasingly challenging. Factors like rising housing costs and stagnant wages have created a situation where many Americans are priced out of the market. Let's explore this dynamic further and understand why a once comfortable income might no longer translate to homeownership. Now let's raise the bar. Suppose your household income increases to a healthy $50,000 per year. Suddenly, the equation becomes more intricate. Based on calculations, you're looking at a potential home range of $153,200 to $215,336. But here's the plot twist. Interest rates wield immense power over your affordability. A seemingly minor difference, a 3% rate versus a 7% rate, can translate to a staggering 40% difference in your purchasing power. It's a powerful reminder that even a small shift can significantly impact your options. Imagine being able to afford a much larger home with a lower interest rate. This is why understanding and shopping around for competitive rates is crucial. However, amidst this sea of numbers, we have a guiding star, the 28% rule. This fundamental principle suggests that your total housing costs, encompassing mortgage, property taxes, and homeowner's insurance, shouldn't exceed 28% of your pre-tax income. While it seems straightforward, many individuals get lured in by seemingly irresistible offers, neglecting this crucial benchmark. Remember, this rule acts as a safety net, preventing you from overextending yourself financially. By exceeding this threshold, you risk straining your budget and jeopardizing your financial well-being in other areas. Let's delve deeper into the components of this rule and how to calculate them for a clear picture of your affordability. As we climb the income ladder, the challenges of homeownership become more nuanced. Even with a yearly income of $80,000, the average American finds it increasingly difficult to afford a decent home. While a higher income opens doors to a wider range of options, factors like student loan debt, rising living costs, and childcare expenses can still create a significant financial burden. It's a stark reminder of the pressing issue of home affordability plaguing our nation. But fear not, for knowledge is power, and we're here to equip you with strategies to navigate these financial currents, even in a challenging market. Now let's shift gears and explore actionable steps you can take to increase your affordability and alleviate the burden of those monthly mortgage payments. Here are some key strategies to consider. A stellar credit rating is your golden ticket to lower interest rates, resulting in substantial long-term savings. Think of it as a loyalty program. The better your credit score, the more rewards you reap in the form of lower borrowing costs. Dive deeper into our credit score video series for valuable tips on achieving financial excellence in this area. Private mortgage insurance, PMI, is an unwelcome expense that can drain your budget like a leaky faucet. By reaching that magic 20% equity threshold or exploring refinancing options, you can banish PMI and reclaim control of your finances. Imagine the freedom of eliminating this unnecessary cost and putting that extra money towards other financial goals. Don't underestimate the power of being a savvy shopper. Take a proactive stance by comparing quotes and finding competitive homeowners' insurance rates. A little extra effort can yield significant savings in the long run. Remember, every dollar saved on your insurance premium is a dollar you can put towards your down payment or monthly mortgage payment. Utilize online resources and comparison tools to find the best rates for your specific needs. This tried and tested method not only reduces your monthly payment, but also helps you build equity faster, strengthening your financial foothold in your new home. A larger down payment translates to a smaller loan amount, which in turn means lower interest payments over the life of the loan. Consider exploring different saving strategies or even discussing potential down payment assistance programs with lenders or real estate agents. Keep a keen eye on refinancing opportunities. With interest rates constantly fluctuating, seizing a lower rate can be a game changer. Imagine the potential savings with a simple interest rate swap. It's like finding hidden treasure extra money in your pocket every month that you can use to pay down debt, invest, or build a stronger financial safety net. Regularly monitor interest rates and consult with a mortgage professional to determine if refinancing is the right option for you. Explore different mortgage options that might better suit your financial situation. For example, FHA loans often require a lower down payment than conventional loans, which can be helpful for first-time buyers. However, there are also trade-offs to consider, such as additional mortgage insurance requirements. Research different loan options and consult with a qualified mortgage professional to find the best fit for your needs. Remember, financial prudence is the cornerstone of a secure and fulfilling future. Don't get swayed by the promises of lenders. Instead, arm yourself with knowledge and foresight. While achieving homeownership is a dream for many, it's crucial to ensure it doesn't come at the expense of your overall financial well-being. Create a realistic budget, factor in potential future expenses, and prioritize building a strong financial foundation before taking the plunge. By following these strategies and staying informed, you can navigate the labyrinth of home affordability and emerge victorious, ready to achieve your dream of homeownership. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Here at the Elite Economizer, we're committed to providing you with the knowledge and resources you need to make informed financial decisions. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to decoding home affordability. If you found this video enlightening, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more insightful content on your path